Warning: before you start any maintenance, please ensure the equipment is securely powered off and follow proper loader procedures to prevent accidental startup or movement. Secure the equipment, park the D10 on level ground and engage the parking brake. Use wheel chocks to prevent unintended movement. Lifting and supporting equipment. If maintenance requires lifting or supporting heavy components, use appropriate lifting equipment, such as cranes or jacks, following safe lifting practices. Ensure stability and weight capacity when supporting heavy parts. Would you do the same as this man?